Now, for the purposes of this course, I've set up a pre-Gutenberg version of WordPress running the 2017 theme. Now, there are themes that are designed specifically for Gutenberg, but don't worry if you like your theme already. You can go ahead and keep it. Gutenberg will pretty much work with any theme. I've put some sample content on here, just a blog post I copied from a site of mine. I've added a single extra page called Contact Me with a contact form that is a Contact Form 7 form. And I don't have any plugins other than Contact Form 7, and I'll delete that Hello Dolly there that comes with WordPress. And over here in Post, I have one post, how to get things done, and of course the Hello World that is installed by default. And this is what the post looks like right now, pre-Gutenberg. So let's go ahead and update to WordPress 5.02 is what the current version is at the time of making this video. And I'll update and I'll see you in the next video.